All right, so I'm gonna be honest with you. I didn't really practice. It was Christmas this this week, so I still suck. I didn't practice every day. I'm gonna throw that down. So this is how I sound. I mean, at least I finished it within like the whole intro. But anyways, so issue is coming up. My laziness is getting the better of me, and I am not practicing every day. I'm finding excuses not to do it. So something my wife suggested is that I record myself every day and then I show the progress in one video. So like, for example, from Sunday to Wednesday, I'll just put together a little compilation. So I'll try doing that, and maybe you can see the progress in one video, and it'll force me to have to record and practice every single day. It sucks because we're not in the best financial state right now. And so right now life is about, like trying to stay alive, I guess. And that kind of sucks. Which, I'm sure a lot of people are like that, and I'm sure there's people in worse situations, but I guess that's kind of why I'm doing these videos, because I just want people to see that it doesn't have to be like that. It doesn't have to be about like living from paycheck to paycheck or working. Like, life doesn't have to be about work. And I know that's easier said than done, but that's, like I said, that's why I want to do these videos. And maybe one day these videos can be proof that something. I don't have anything planned to say, but yeah. So that's what I'm gonna try doing. I know I haven't been like working out or anything like that either, as you can see. So I'll figure out what to do with that too. I'm trying to keep the videos as simple as possible. That's why I'm not editing them, because otherwise I'll find more excuses not to do it. And so, yeah, I appreciate people watching it, although I feel like this is more for me to like make my habits better. And so I'm just kind of talking to myself right now. Either way, we're gonna figure out how I'm gonna get good at something, because I don't feel like I'm good at anything. Maybe I'll be good at guitar one day and I can say that I wasn't good, but then I practiced. All right, sweet. That's basically all I had planned to do. But yeah, this is Cough Syrup, everyone. This is a great song that I am completely butchering. I forgot how to play it. It's like this. It's like this. The hardest part about this is the fingering, but I wish I knew how to like teach guitar, but I don't. Maybe I will try to teach it if I get good at it. I don't know. We'll see. All right, this video is already too long, but I'm sure you're tired of seeing my face. All right, thank you for watching the video. Maybe on Saturday we'll have a better put together video. So starting tomorrow, I'm gonna start recording, but I will upload for Saturday, okay? All right, thank you.